Help me. Hi, I'm Kaleigh and I work on the internal communications team at Lush. Today I'm going to take you through my post-workout routine. After working out, I feel great. I feel super energetic and ready for the day. I work out in the morning, so my routine really needs to be fast. Working out, I do CrossFit, so I do a lot of interval training and barbell work, so I get super sweaty, and I definitely need to shower before going to the office. The first thing I do is hop in the shower, and then I grab my favorite shower gel, which right now is Dirty Springwash. I feel like this one's super cooling and refreshing, and the smell is amazing. It's kind of like spearminty almost. It helps me wake up even more after working out because of how refreshing it is, and I just love it on my skin, and yeah, the smell is amazing. So after I'm done in the shower, and if my muscles are super sore that day, I'll usually use Wiccy Magic Muscles. It's a massage bar. So the smell smells like peppermint and cinnamon, and the aduki beans in it really help loosen up the muscles when you're rubbing it on your skin, and then it's super moisturizing after, so it's great for those type of days. Next up in my routine is No Drought dry shampoo, and it's an absolute lifesaver. I use it almost every other day because I do wash my hair. If I can't wash my hair and I really need to get out the door, I sprinkle some in my roots and then I rub it in, and then I brush it out slightly and then style it for the day. This saves me so much time. So my last step in my post-workout shower routine is Breath of Fresh Air, and it's a toner. I use it before I put on my makeup. So I spritz it on my face, and then I immediately after put my moisturizer on top of it, and it helps the moisturizer actually absorb more, and then I just feel even more refreshed. So yeah, it's really great. So that's my post-workout routine. Let me know if you have any tips and tricks that you use in your post-workout routine in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Yay! I did it!